On Twitter, you have the ability to curate lists to help you keep track of relevant information by organizing similar accounts into groups. For example, you might build one list for industry influencers, another for media outlets that could help amplify your events, another for key customers, and one for brand advocates. Twitter lists can be private or public. Public lists are great for curating accounts that may be of interest to your followers, such as businesses your company supports, or a list of influencers you work with. A benefit of public lists is that users receive a notification when you add them, which may motivate them to check out your profile and follow you. You can also subscribe to public lists curated by other users, which is a quick way to broaden your exposure to potentially useful information. Private Twitter lists are visible only to you. This makes private lists a great way to keep up with competitors' content without publicly following their profiles. You can also use private lists to research prospective customers, giving you insight into their daily conversations and potentially paving the way for future interactions.